Akiaria hindi ya monanio ma urimi wa matunda na mimera itiganite kaunti-ini iyo, afitha uria urugamiriire ruhonge ruu rwa ataaramu Stephen Njega augite ati mubango ucio wa kunina ngũnga ni uronania maumirira mega, no meguthi na mbere na kugeria niguo kuheana riboti nginyaniru.
It might be effective now the first season, but as we move on it will not work. So we have to be sure what we are releasing to the farmers, we are happy with it.
Njega augite ati mena mubango wa kuongerera gikiro gia tiri gicigo-ini gia gatagati na njira ya gutukania fertilizer niguo gutigirira arimi ni mahanda na kugetha irio na mimera ya gikiro kia iguru.
We have found that productivity is going down every time, and we are thinking of improving that by coming up with technologies which are going to be, we integrate the inorganic fertilizers and also organic fertilizers.
Nake afitha uria urugamiriire urimi wa matunda mwena wa Embu Zakayo Magara ni uritie arimi metikire kuyukia njira cia kiriu cia kurwa na tugunyu turia tugumagira mimera ya matunda niguo guthondeka magetha ma matunda maria marimaga.
We believe we will want to see people go to the market with processed products. We are too much of fresh, and therefore we are here to borrow technologies from the market to enable us do agro-processing.
The agro-processing and agribusiness is going to be the vehicle, or is going to be the engine, the fuel to make our farmers increase production.
Ruhonge ruu rugite ati ni rukurehe mimera mieru ya mbembe, mboco na ndengu iria ikuiguithania na riera ria gicigo gia gatagati. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kimani wa Githĩnji.